Bullish Jasmy coin, Jasmy, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.013795 and $0.026058 by 2030. Market investigators accept Jasmy could reach $0.01073 by 2025. Bearish Jasmy coin market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.002453. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, presentation Jasmy coin, as a stage, was sent off to utilize the Web of Things, IoT, gadgets and media made to store and handle information in a decentralized structure. Very much like the non-exclusive design of a market, the digital money market continues developing and fanning out while inviting new conventions and groups consistently. In any case, with this ceaseless advancement and development, more cycles are made to support them, and one of these arrangements is Jasmy coin, Jasmy. Jasmy stage fills in as an information insurance convention that places information a majority rule government at a high worth and expects to go about as a mediator for the safe trade of information and resources through their confidential individual information storage spaces, PDL. This guarantees that information isn't effectively gotten to by unapproved parties and further handled and put away in concentrated frameworks, which help information examination and hoarded figures. In this article, we'd investigate the idea of Jasmy coin, Jasmy. Will the past cost presentation make it a wise speculation for the following bull run? Will it hit all time again after this passing winding? And what's the cost gauge for Jasmy before long? What is Jasmy coin, Jasmy? Jasmy coin is an Ethereum-based ERC coin and local badge of the Jasmy stage. A Japanese organization that Kunitake Ando made to interface more web, IoT, gadgets, consequently developing the customary method of abundance move as the gadgets are utilized as an installment for the help. This symbolic serves an enormous scope of issues and purposes. Jasmy coin is as of now worth $0.003066 United States dollars. Jasmy has moved 2.20% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $23,213,764. Jasmy coin is at present positioned 159 among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $150,338,655 United States dollars. Using the general strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity, MACD, from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Jasmy coin, Jasmy, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. From every one of the specialized instruments that have been applied to the Jasmy diagram, it either showed a negative position or an impartial one. Most everyday and week-by-week outstanding moving midpoints, EMA, and basic moving midpoints, SMA, gave negative signs. In any case, the volume-weighted moving normal, VWMA, and the body moving normal, HMA, gave purchase signals. The apprehension and ravenousness list for Jasmy coin, Jasmy, can saw beneath. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Jasmy coin, Jasmy, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value forecast 2023. Jasmy coin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year, Jasmy. The Jasmy cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0.004598. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.004292 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable soon, given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Jasmy is supposed to have a base worth of $0.003679. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2024 of every 2024, Jasmy coin Jasmy cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Jasmy will before long outperform $0.007664. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the Jasmy's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Jasmy will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.006131 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.006744. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.01073 and Jasmy might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Jasmy is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.00981 and a low of $0.009197 in 2025. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2026. Assuming Jasmy coin effectively helps market opinion among digital currency lovers, the Jasmy coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Jasmy will be green in 2026. The Jasmy is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.013795 with a base cost of $0.012263 and a typical cost of $0.012876. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Jasmy cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.015941 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.015328 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Jasmy has a most extreme value worth of $0.016861. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.019007. On the off chance that Jasmy figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $0.019927. Neglecting to accumulate the help Jasmy needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.018394. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2029. While Jasmy is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0.021459 and a yearly cost close above $0.022992 in 2029. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2030. By 2030, Jasmy coin will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0.024525 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.026058, averaging out at $0.025138. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. What is the Jasmy coin, Jasmy, cost today? Today, Jasmy coin, Jasmy, is exchanging at $0.0030